Hi guys, and this is a new video about the CapCut app. Check it to know how to add text for photos and videos on this application. So let's open the CapCut. I need to go to the camera section, to the album, to the photo section to find some photo as the background. So I will use this one as an example. Don't forget guys to disable the default end of the video because it's just the CapCut logo. So how to add the text on this photo? Let's tap on the third option, text. Guys, here we have a lot of different features like draw, stickers, etc. But we will talk only about the text option today. If you want to know how to make your own stickers, how to add, for example, auto captions, you can check other guides on our HardReset.Info channel. But let's start with the first one. So I will set love text here. Let's pick on the font to correct and change fonts. We have a lot of very beautiful fonts here. I want to use this one. Don't forget about the style section because here you can choose some default style. I will increase the text to show you. These styles are so beautiful, but I want to make it standard one and control it by choosing another color. For example, this one. Not this one, sorry. Here you can also correct the size of text after dragging the selector and correct the opacity of the edit text. Sorry, what's going on? Okay, sorry, it's some trouble. So yes, you can make it invisible, for example, or activate the opacity to the max level. And in the end of the settings, don't forget that you can also decrease or increase the edit text after dragging the corner of its window, and also correct the location of the text after dragging it to some side. So make it here. Well done. Guys, don't forget about the effects section also. Very cool effects you can activate, and they are very popular and will help you to create some very cool effects for example, Instagram story or Pinterest photo. I want to delete it right now after tapping on this cross circle, which is the first one on the list, and go to the animation feature. This animation is the appearance of our edit text. So I will set as an example this appearance of my text. Don't forget to correct it after dragging the selector at the bottom of the screen, and it's the speed of our animation. So I will increase it to make this animation more longer. Just longer, okay. So well done. And also don't forget about the bubble feature. You can save your edit text in a bubble to make some dialogue. Okay, but I don't want to save it in some bubbles. Let's tap on the check mark to save changes. Guys, don't forget to correct the duration of our edit text after dragging the white lines to the right or left side. So maybe I will set it here. Let's check the result after tapping on the play key here. Well done! Guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about the CapCut app and other programs. And have a nice day. Good luck!